167-year history of Smith+Nephew. Over 10 years ago, we started our mission to bring robotics to patients everywhere. Our global footprint in robotics and computer-guided surgery is growing. Orthopaedics is becoming a technology space. Data and artificial intelligence are beginning to influence decisions in surgery. The competition is paying attention to Smith+Nephew. One system with a full suite of procedural solutions, including revision knee, supported by preoperative and intraoperative tools, the CORI surgical system. Now, surgeons can experience the power and versatility of one platform. They can address patient needs across the entire continuum of care, from partial to total to revision knee and total hip arthroplasty, all within a single platform. The power to accurately place a third-generation unicompartmental knee platform. The power to combine robotics, oxinium technology, and a reverse hybrid knee construct. The power to assess spinopelvic condition and deliver patient-specific cup placement. The power to choose a predefined force and tension of the knee in the native state before resecting bone. The CORI surgical system. Experience the power of one.